We are in the Philippines in Calibo, Aklan. So this is how they eat or we eat. So first, I have a golden coconut. So I break it and I have the coconut water. And I take the meat out of the golden coconut and I made the other half plate, and the coconut meat I will make it as a dessert. See, look at this: water, plate, and my dessert. And I have the squid adobo, and I have this. I have prepared my plate with rice and pusit adobo, and we have this tuna prepared. We called it kilawin. This is with lemon or calamansi, and this is with mayonnaise. Let me try. So good, man. Man, let me try the one with mayonnaise. If you haven't married yet, you forget the name of your wife. It's so good. Now, this is also a sour soup, which is goat, right? This is not a goat. This is tuna sour soup. So let me try the soup if it passed my Michelin rating. 11-star Michelin rating. Now, let's go for the dessert. The coconut meat. Let's try it. Sugar free. Not sugar free. Sugar free, and it's a natural sugar from the golden coconut. And golden coconut is much sweeter than the green coconut. Now, let's go to the rice cake. Traditional rice cake of Filipino. Okay?
At kasama.
This is the cassava, and it came from sweet rice, or we call it yam
Kasama
root.
suman.
Yeah, like suman. Let's try. Wow! It's so good. Let's try the. This is the rice wrapped with palm leaves. So let's see. Hey, guys, if you never been to Calibo, Aklan, or anywhere in the Philippines, this is authentic Filipino food. So if you like to come to Calibo, Aklan, there's a yearly parade. They call it Ati-Atihan. It's equivalent to Rio de Janeiro parade. Let's see. So good. All right. Like the delicacy in Calibo, Aklan, or anywhere in the Philippines, please come here in Calibo and experience the inexperience that you have. See, they don't in the Philippines. This is original. I put a copyright on this. Use your plate. Your coconut have the coconut as your plate, even without any ulam. You can eat and enjoy the meal.
Patent pending.
Patent pending. Okay, so let's try. So in the Philippines, we use fork and a spoon, but we use the spoon primarily. So let's try the squid.
Okay.
Good. Folks, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I will show you about traditional, authentic food in the Philippines. And this is Visayan style. Thank you. God bless you, and God bless our veterans that Okay, God bless you, God bless everybody, and God bless the veteran who sacrificed and pay. And God bless our veterans, and thank you for them preserving our freedom in the USA. God bless our troops.
Bye.
Thank you.